Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, Monica Njaga. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for subscribing if you have subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the red button down below written subscribe, and welcome to this beautiful family of sharing and caring. And remember, I'm your sister in prosperity and in possibility. So today I'm gonna do a video that I like, the hair videos. So I'm doing a recipe, the Chinese puzzles recipe, how to make fermented rice water. How to make fermented rice water. This is recipe from the Yao women from China, Asia, and these Yao people have a lot of healthy hair, long hair, black hair. So I'm gonna use this recipe to prepare the rice water, fermented rice water for my daughter and for my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you through how I will prepare this recipe of the rice water, and just like Yao people. Yeah, so let's do this together. Welcome guys. So guys, the Yao people use rice. I'm gonna be using 2 packets of this rice. Yeah, I'm gonna be using. They also use pomelo fruit and also some herbs and oil. Okay, so because I don't have pomelo fruits, it grows in China, so I'm gonna be using the grapefruit. This is the grapefruit that I'm gonna be using, or the peels, the grapefruit peels. And then I'm gonna be using this lemon essential oil. This is a lemon essential oil, and also an orange essential oil. Yeah, this I'll put after you're gonna see how I use this. Yeah, so they also use some herbs. I don't have those herbs, but also you can use the shikakai herb. You can use neem, or any other cleansing herb that you have. Okay, so yeah. I won't be using those because I'm gonna be using this as a rinse. So yeah, let me show you how I will do that. I'm gonna start by washing this rice. I'm gonna start by washing the rice. Oopsie. Yes, this. Put 2 packets of rice. So here I'm gonna rinse out. I'm gonna wash a little bit the rice, so to remove all the impurities, all the dust, and then I'm gonna continue. Yeah, so yeah, this is about a cup of rice. I clean it, and then I'm gonna use distilled water. So yeah, the water that you have that is distilled, or maybe filtered water if you don't have distilled water. So I'm gonna use 1 liter of it. 1 liter. Oh, okay. I'm gonna use 1.4. Yeah. If you put one cup of rice, you can put 3 cups of water. So yeah, this is how it is. So now this rice water, I'm gonna wash the rice on the water like this. And then I'm gonna leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna leave the rice in this water, and then I'm gonna remove the rice, yeah, so that you can do the recipe. You're gonna be heating it, gonna be boiling the water, the rice water, and then put the grapefruit peels inside there, and after, when it's cooled down, I'm gonna put the essential oil. Yeah, so rice water is very good to be used because it's it balances the pH when it's fermented. Yeah, when it's fermented, it balances the pH, so it's better to use it when it's fermented. Like that, is have a balanced pH. Yeah, and also rice water has amino acids, minerals, antioxidant, selenium, magnesium, folic acid. So have vitamin B1 and B6. It also have vitamin C and E, niacin, vitamin K, and inositol. Yeah, inositol. That's very good for hair. So we're gonna use this recipe. Yeah, don't know how they were thinking, but this recipe have been used long time ago by Japanese ladies who have beautiful hair. So now Yao people are using it. So let's copy. Yeah, let's see whether it's gonna change the growth of our hair in general. So yeah, make sure that you wash. Let's wash in the lice. Yeah, like this. You know, you're pressing the lice in between your fingers like this, and then so that can remove all the good stuff, all the patella, the minerals, amino acids, the vitamins, the protein. You know, the starch in the protein helps to heal our scalp, so it's very good to use. And also the grapefruit. The grapefruit peels helps in the smell. Yeah, with the smell, because when you ferment the lice, you can know that it's gonna stink. But when we put the grapefruit peels, it's gonna help in that. Yeah, gonna help with the smell. So this is how the lice is. It's whitish. The water is white. You can see. It's like this. And I'm gonna leave this for 10 minutes to remove all the nutrients. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes, and then I'm coming back to show you how I'm making the recipe. Yeah, so continue washing it like this. We said it have antioxidant with moisturizing and healing properties. Yeah, have amino acid which strengthen and add volume to our hair, plus shine. With minerals, vitamins like vitamin B's and E's, plus pitera yeast. Okay, it's an anti-aging, and it's mild acidic smell. It has a mild acidic smell. Yeah, so rinse your hair after wash and condition, and improve the elasticity and porosity of our hair. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for 10 minutes so that I can boil the water and the ingredients. Yeah, and also the other ingredients. After when it's cooled down, that's where I'm gonna add the essential. So I'm back after 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes of soaking the rice on the water. So yeah, remember, you just wash it like this with your hands. There's some friction in between your hands so that you can get all those nutrients, all those amino acids. Yeah, for the goodness of our hair. Yeah, so it's very easy to prepare this recipe, and we are making it as Yao ladies, Yao women in China. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this water in the pan because we are heating it. Yeah, so I strain all the water. that. Then I'm gonna wash the grapefruit fruit so that I can remove the peels. So after that, I'm gonna peel all the peels from the grapefruit. I'll peel it out, then heat everything up. Which one? That one. So you put the peels. Smell very good, yeah? Grapefruit. I don't like eating it because I feel it's acidic. It's a bit acidic. But yeah, using it for the hair, very good. And it smells very good, yeah? Smell very good. I put all the whole grapefruit peels. Like that. Try to take all the peels, yeah? Try to take all the peels to have all the goodness, yeah? So that's done. Then keep it to the side. You can eat it. Some people eat it with the sugar because it's a bit acidic. I'm gonna try to eat it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to eat this. So I put it aside. Now I'm gonna boil this water. Until it's like about 15 minutes. It boils. And then when it's settled down, I'm gonna put the essential oil and then let it cool a little bit down. And then I'm gonna ferment it for a whole week, huh? A whole week. I'll ferment it for 5 days, yeah, 5 days. Yeah, people ferment it from 6 weeks to 1 month, 1 month to, I think, to 3 months. So for me, I just, yeah, when you ferment it, I'll do it for 5 days. After the 6th day, I'll put it in the fridge if I haven't used it to stop fermenting, yeah. So I'm gonna see you after everything has boiled, heated up. So guys, the water has boiled like this. I just put the stove off, off the heat. And then I'm gonna put some 2 drops of essential oil. This is orange essential oil. I want to use all the citric acids and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this is lemon essential oil. Also put how many? Still have something here? Oh, I don't think I have anything left. Nothing left in the in the lemon, so I'm gonna put more of the orange, yeah. More of the orange, about 15 drops. I'm gonna finish it too. Yeah. About 15 drops of the essential oil, and then I'm gonna store this to cool down, and then ferment it for 5 days. Yeah. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your love. So thank you very much. And I'm gonna show you when I'll be using it. Yeah, I'll show you next time when I'll be using this fermented rice water. Yeah. So thank you very much for following me. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends, your families, and yeah, let us grow our hair. Let us cast that myth that says that African hair or our mixed hair, it doesn't grow. Yeah, so make sure that you do you can, so that you can grow healthy, beautiful hair. So thank you very much, everyone. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye. So next video, I'm gonna show you how I use it for my hair and for my daughter's hair. Yeah, I'm gonna start with my daughter's hair because mine is braided, and I'm gonna show you when I'm gonna be using it on my daughter's hair. Yeah, so check that too. Yeah.